Well, meanwhile, one of the Midlands' most anticipated exports rolled off the production line today. The F-Type Jaguar finally left the Castle Bromwich factory for sale around the world.
It's helped create billions of pounds worth of contracts with supply companies here, as our business correspondent Peter Plisner has been finding out.
F-Type production in full swing today. A new car comes off this line every 8 minutes, and it's just as well. Already more than 1,000 F-Types have been sold. And more than 300 workers have been taken on to build the new model. Mark Saunders is one of them.
It's wonderful, yeah. It's got great prospects. It's doing really well at the minute. It's good to have a job at a place like this. It's going up.
It's now 50 years since the legendary E-Type first made its debut. The latest Jaguar sports car has been billed as its spiritual successor. Officials at Jaguar are hoping that it too will become just as popular.
No doubt the E-Type was an iconic car. Enzo Ferrari called it the most beautiful car in the world. I'm pretty sure we'll look back on this car and say it is one of the most beautiful cars in the world.
Beautiful or not, many of the region's component suppliers have had order books boosted by production of the new Jaguar model. And this is one of the companies that's benefiting. It's emerged that around 30% of all parts going into the Jaguar F-Type are manufactured here in the West Midlands. This company alone manufactures around 140 different parts in a contract valued at around £3.5 million. And that, according to management, has meant new jobs, but also job security for many of the existing workforce.
Yeah, basically, it's safeguarded the jobs that we've currently got here. So as models die out, we've got a new model coming in. So we've got a good 5 to 7 years on the new F-Type model of security for the people that were currently employed here.
With the first of the new F-Types starting to leave the factory, attention will no doubt switch to the next new JLR model. And by all accounts, we won't be waiting too long.
Well, Peter's at the Castle Bromwich plant right now. It seems, Peter, then, with the foreign investment we've just been hearing about and the F-Type there, it's really good news for Birmingham, especially the automotive sector.
Indeed it is, Nick. It's estimated that around £2.8 billion worth of contracts have been awarded for parts for this car alone, and around £1 billion worth of that has come to the West Midlands. And as Kath said, you've got the Chinese investing in Longbridge. Well, joining me from KPMG is their automotive specialist, John Leach. John, first tell me, how vital is the F-Type to Jaguar?
The F-Type is its first true sports car in many years, almost a decade now. It's worth a lot of money to West Midlands suppliers, and for Jaguar it's going to be transformative as it brings forward new products over the coming years.
£59,000 is the starting level for this car. It's not going to be everyone's cup of tea. Not everyone can afford it.
Well, this car performs sort of at a level just like the Porsche 911, and it's priced below that. It's in between the Porsche Boxer 911. I think for those people who are lucky enough to have that kind of money, it's a great alternative.
And on investment levels, the West Midlands seems to be doing very well, the best outside London. Why is the West Midlands doing so well, do you think?
Well, I think JLR and other companies like Shanghai Automotive are really powering the engineering sector, which has seen almost half of all the inward investment into Birmingham. But life sciences, digital media, these are other important sectors for Birmingham. And really, Birmingham has been performing better than any other city other than London in the UK now for two continuous years.
Very briefly, can it continue?
Absolutely. I think Marketing Birmingham, which is the local agency bringing this in, are really doing a great job.
John, many thanks. Well, it's not just inward investment that's happening through the F-Type, it's also exports too, because 80% of these cars are going abroad.
Peter, thank you.